Good morning, grade 2 students. How is everyone? I hope you are all doing well. Today's date is Wednesday, April 15, 2026. And today we will continue the last part of our reading lesson, Eagles and Eaglets. So let's get started. First, let's remember what we read yesterday. We read that eaglets are birds. They are not mammals because we know that mammals give birth to their babies. They feed them milk and they have fur, while birds lay eggs and they have feathers all over them. In addition, they don't have milk to feed their babies. Instead, they hunt and feed them. Also, we read that an eaglet is born covered with the gray down. That means it is covered with the fluffy feathers. Also, we read that it takes the eaglet about 5 months to be able to fly. By this time, it will grow dark feathers, black feathers, and then it will be able to fly like its parents. Now let's correct our yesterday's homework. Up on page 5. The first question, we should underline the text that tells you when eaglets can fly. So here, the keywords can fly. So we should read to find the answer. Let's start from the beginning. Unlike mammals, birds have feathers, not fur. Did you see the words can fly here? No, so we should continue reading. An eaglet is born covered with soft gray down. Okay, let's continue. It cannot fly until it grows dark feathers like its parents. So here we don't have the word can fly, we have it cannot fly. So an eaglet cannot fly until what? It grows dark feathers like its parents. So here we have one condition. So it can fly when it grows dark feathers like its parents. So let's underline the answer. It cannot fly until it grows dark feathers like its parents. So this is the answer. This sentence tells me that an eaglet can fly when it grows dark feathers like its parents. Now the second question here. How long does it take for their wings to grow strong? What is the question word here? Let's circle it. How long? So here, I'm asking about the duration, about the time. We know that we always circle and cross the question word. Do we write does in the answer? No, we always cross it. So we'll start the answer from it. We write capital T. We write capital T, right? So, it takes, what is the duration? Let's read and discover. The eaglet stays near the nest until its wings grow strong. That takes about 5 months. So this is the duration, 5 months. Now how we should write the answer? We said that we cross the question words and does. We start from it. It takes about 5 months. Then we write for their wings to grow strong. So this is the answer. We start from it. It takes about 5 months for their wings to grow strong, and instead of the question mark, we cross it and we put a period. Now the last question. Circle the part of the diagram that shows what eagles used to fly. So we should circle on the diagram the part that shows what eagles used to fly. We know that eagles use their wings to fly, right? So we should draw a circle on the diagram. Excellent. That's it for the homework. Now let's continue. I want you now to open your reading books. On page 6, you have 2 minutes to try to read this paragraph. Are you done? Okay, if you are not done yet, you can pause the video and continue reading. Let's start. First, point only on your books. An eaglet becomes an adult when it has learned to do all the things its parents do. This takes about 5 years. Bald eagles can stay alive for up to 30 years. Now I will read and you will repeat. An eaglet becomes an adult when it has learned to do all the things its parents do. This takes about 5 years. Bald eagles can stay alive for up to 30 years. Now for the last time I will read, you will only point. An eaglet becomes an adult when it has learned to do all the things its parents do. This takes about 5 years. Bald eagles can stay alive for up to 30 years. Now let's understand what we read. An eaglet becomes an adult. We know that adult means a fully grown animal when it has learned to do all the things its parents do. In other words, it becomes an adult when it learns how to fly, how to hunt, how to stay safe, and how to protect itself. Then we read that this process takes about 5 years. So it takes about 5 years for the eaglet to learn how to fly and how to hunt like its parents. Bald eagles can stay alive for up to 30 years. So bald eagle can stay alive for up to 30 years. After that, it will die. Now look at this caption over here. When the bald eagle soars, it means flies in the sky like this picture. The feathers on its huge wings, huge means large, big, spread out like fingers. So here, as you can see in this picture, the feathers on its huge wings spread out like fingers. Look at this picture. This shows our hand, right? Do you see the fingers here? These are the fingers. So when the bald eagle flies, the feathers on its wings spread out like fingers. Here, they are making a comparison or a simile between the wings and the fingers. Now I want you to watch this video. You can see that when the eagle soars or fly in the sky, the feathers on its wings spread out, similar to our fingers, right? Can you see them? So they really do look like our fingers. Now I want you to open page 7 and you have 2 minutes to try to read this page. This is the last page in our lesson. Are you done? Okay, if you are not done yet, you can pause the video and continue reading. Now let's read this page. We can see the heading, Bald Eagles Soar. I want you only to point on your books. Once it learns to fly, the bald eagle can soar for hours. Here H is silent. The bald eagle must take good care of its feathers. It uses its beak to groom itself. It must keep its feathers clean. Can you believe this powerful eagle began life as a helpless baby? Now I will read, you will repeat. Bald eagle soar. Once it learns to fly, the bald eagle can soar for hours. The bald eagle must take good care of its feathers. It uses its beak to groom itself. It must keep its feathers clean. Can you believe this powerful eagle began life as a helpless baby? Now for the last time, I will read, you will only point. Bald eagles soar. Once it learns to fly, the bald eagle can soar for hours. The bald eagle must take good care of its feathers. It uses its beak to groom itself. It must keep its feathers clean. Can you believe this powerful eagle began life as a helpless baby? So once it learns to fly, the bald eagle can soar for hours. So when the eagle learns to fly in the sky, it can stay in the sky for hours, for a long time. The bald eagle must take good care of its feathers. So it uses its beak to groom itself, to groom its feathers, to clean them, right? It must keep its feathers clean. So I want you to watch this video here. So this is a real video of an eagle grooming itself, as you can see. You can notice that it uses its beak to clean its feathers. Can you see it? And at the end, they are asking you, can you believe this powerful eagle began life as a helpless baby? Can you believe this strong, big eagle began life as a helpless, weak baby? So they ask you this question, yes or no, can you believe or not? Yes, we can believe, because we saw that in this lesson, how the weak eaglet grows into strong eagle. We saw that during this lesson. So that's it for the reading lesson today. We are done. I want you just to answer this question on page 7. The first one, what can a bald eagle do once it learns to fly? Then you should underline 2 sentences that help you understand the meaning of groom. What does an eagle use to groom its feathers? We saw that in the video. Also, you can find the answer here in the text. So that's it. I hope you understand all the lesson. And we still have some questions, so we will answer them tomorrow, inshallah.